What's going on, guys? My name is The Real Gamer. Hope you're a zombie. Oh my god, I had to cough. Okay, so still in the hospital. I might not make video. Oh, sorry for the beeping sound in the back. If you cannot hear it, then yeah. So I am very sick, and I'm in the hospital still, doing some stuff. So yeah. I might not make a lot of videos because I make these so sick that I might not be able to make any videos. So yeah. So subscribe and smash that like button. If you're new to my channel, smash that like subscribe button. So yeah, if Gabe Bennett, and if you're watching this, Gabe Bennett or Carter Tundra, whatever, Gabe Bennett, I'm really sick, so I might not be online very much. So yeah, if you see in my Xbox, I am not on. Oh, okay. I am not online for a. Oh, okay. I'm not online for a very long time, so I might not be online. So yeah.
Si no nos vamos. Raúl.
And they won on.
Dame la phone.
Okay.
Give me the phone.
So.
Raúl.
Sorry if you hear my little cousin's whining.
Okay, nada. Y coma rápido.
So now we are going to. Yeah, I gotta go with my note. Whatever. I might not speak a lot.
No le creamos.
Oh, why are you crying? Not you guys. Oh, okay. I thought you were crying. Oh my god, what are you doing? Oh, Slappy Bird, what are you doing?
Nada, que acá no hay agua. Apúrate.
What are you doing, Slappy Bird? Okay.
Raúl.
Okay, guys, I might end this video here. So yeah.
No, le voy a decir a tu papá que te traiga.
Hope you enjoyed. So yeah, this was Fappy Bird. It doesn't spice. Okay, hope you enjoyed. So peace out, bye.